Most important, relieve back Imran Khan or release Imran Khan, free Imran Khan. All the public wanted is the injustice to keep in prison. He is the most honest and sincere citizen of Pakistan.
Whatever is happening in Pakistan, it's not democracy. There's no rule of law. Our judicial system has been compromised only to keep these elite criminal political crooks in power and to politically victimize Imran Khan. So inshallah, you will see that the British overseas Pakistanis from all across UK, they are coming and gathering in London today to basically give a strong message to Pakistani current government, the illegal regime, and to the establishment. They need to release Imran Khan and uphold human rights and obviously judiciary and judicial system in Pakistan.
For reason to come outside here is to show Imran Khan and to support him and make them realise that we all stand for Imran Khan, especially for Nawaz Sharif and his family, that you cannot defeat Imran Khan. And look how much crew has come out. We're always going to be standing for Imran Khan, and he should be released as soon as possible.
This event is very, very important for diaspora community here in UK. We all are concerned about what is happening in Pakistan in terms of human rights violation, and especially what is happening to Imran Khan, who was the ex-Prime Minister of Pakistan, and the condition under which he's living right now. We all are deeply concerned about it.
We are here for Imran Khan, for the fair and free trial of Imran Khan. No more fake trials, no more fake cases, rule of law, democracy. I mean, he's innocent. He's an innocent person. He's in the prison for more than 2 years. They're not giving him food. They're not providing him anything. I mean, what we are here for? We can be just in our homes, we can just be chilling, it's a nice day, but we are here for the fair and free trial and the rule of law and democracy. That's what we want, that's what we are struggling for.
This protest is being held for Imran Khan, and he been in a unlawful jail in Pakistan for last 2 years, and we want him to be released and just come out and deal with the Pakistan instead of Asim Munir and all the jailers who hold on to Pakistani economy is going terribly down. So we want him to be released and come out and deal with the Pakistan and rule.